lifetime assistance because of a fire that started in a stove and put a lot of soot throughout the place. There was 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a bathroom, and a laundry room. So with the amount of soot that was at the job, we had to go in there and clean ceilings, walls, floors, and all the contents. So we went in there, washed everything down, got it to the point where painters can come out there and paint what we have cleaned, and then hopefully that the occupants will be able to move back into their residence.